This is Felixstowe Ferry, a small hamlet in Suffolk around 2 miles from the main town of Felixstowe. It sits at the mouth of the River Deben. The hamlet has a timeless atmosphere with its collection of cottages, shacks and houseboats, alongside a pub, boatyard and sailing club. There is a ferry that runs from here over to the village of Bawdsey on the opposite peninsula. In 1894, Sir William Quilter, owner of the nearby Bawdsey Manor, established a steam-powered chain ferry here so he could have easy access to the train station in Felixstowe for his regular trips to London in his capacity as the Member of Parliament for Sudbury. Bawdsey Manor was built in 1886 in the popular Gothic style of the time. Sir William had it enlarged in 1895. The manor was requisitioned during the First World War and then returned to the Quilter family, but eventually purchased by the Air Ministry in 1936 as a research station. This is where radar was developed. The radar research was moved from here at the outbreak of the Second World War, but Bawdsey continued to be used as a tracking station for enemy ships right up to the Cold War, and surface-to-air missiles were located on the nearby cliffs until they were withdrawn in 1990. Since then, Bawdsey Manor has been a private boarding school and is now a base for adventure holidays. Just a little way up the coast from Bawdsey Manor, the history continues. Napoleonic Martello towers are dotted along the beach. There are 4 altogether at Bawdsey. Amongst these are the remains of Bawdsey Battery, a Second World War construction of 2 separate gun emplacements connected by a low-lying magazine shelter. There were also 2 searchlight stations and an observation tower. Much of this has now been lost to the sea.